I give you a mesocyclone supercell.
Right here in front of us?
Right in front of us. It moved, just moving east. It shifted. She's moving east. If there's to be a wall cloud, it would be right there, and we are in a safe position to watch it.
Is that a tail I see over there?
That is actually...
Oh damn, I'm missing lightning.
Shit, you're right. Yep, that's the tail of it. Hold on, which way is this one moving? Moving that way. That's east, that's north. It should be moving that way.
Yeah. Holy shit, that was nice lightning. Oh wow.
Okay, never mind. That's yeah, so it's that way. That way. We'll walk down. So are we dying or are we following it?
Watching it?
Yeah, kind of watch it right now.
Want to kill the truck or what? Should
Wanna
save gas? Well, I'm the one with the phone, dude. I'm the one who would get hit. Yeah, now we're getting rain. Then we're gonna what?
Well, if it decides to drop anything, I have to call it in and we're going to start running towards Lincoln.
Oh.
That'd be more the safe direction.
Then we couldn't see it though.
Tail end of it. It's dropping? No, it's not. You know what I'm talking about, right? See that? No, it's not.
I just missed nice lightning.
Starting to get rain around